Hello everyone. Today we will have a new lesson about the online collaboration tools. A collaboration tool helps people to collaborate. The purpose of a collaboration tool is to support a group of two or more individuals to accomplish a common goal or objective. Collaboration tools can be either of a non-technological nature such as paper, flipcharts, post-it notes, or whiteboards. They can also include software tools and applications such as collaborative software. Online collaboration tools are web-based applications that offer basic services such as instant messaging for groups, mechanisms for file sharing, and collaborative search engines or CSE to find information distributed within the system of the organization, community, or team. Additionally, the functionality is sometimes further expanded by providing, for example, integrated online calendars, shared online whiteboards to organize tasks and ideas, or internet teleconferencing integrations. The focus of online collaboration tools ranges from simple to complex, inexpensive to expensive, locally installed to remotely hosted, and from commercial to open source. There are main types of online collaboration tools. First, regarding communication. Communication tools provide exchange of information between individuals, followed by coordination. Coordination is defined as the deliberate and orderly alignment or adjustment of partners' actions to achieve jointly determined goals. Collaboration tools supporting this are the ones who allow a person to set up group activities, schedules, and deliverables. And another type, the cooperation. Cooperation tools allow groups to have real-time discussions and to shape an idea or thought together. Trends in terms of collaboration target on helping to maintain the main idea within big organizations and make connections visible. Also, the idea of bringing people who are not working in a company on a regular basis into the organization and make use of their knowledge. Let's talk about the main type, for example, communication. Number one is the email. The invention of email as a collaboration tool changed the way we used to communicate in the workplace. It is the easiest method to make contact within an organization and is well established, especially for organizing daily correspondence. Email can reach various people with just one click. Although email is still the most common used tool in communication collaboration, it is not very efficient on a big scale, and other forms of communication seem to take over. Besides its flexibility, it is not very good for group conversations as they grow too fast. There is no way to be sure that a person has the latest version of a document that has been sent to them, and it is impossible to always track via their email what tasks need to be done and by which deadline. As Cisco states in their Cisco blog about the future of email, emails will improve productivity by organizing your data for you and try to bring more transparency in their work with email. Next example is the voicemail. Voicemail as a collaboration tool is more and more integrated in services such as Google Voice. As pointed out in an IBM future scenario, the role of voicemail could be that all but email is for us today. Instant messaging or IM. Through instant messaging as a collaboration tool, we are able to reach people with an organization in real time. In the future, instant messaging is not a standalone software anymore, but very well integrated in bigger solutions such as unified communication. VoIP or Voice over IP or video call. Voice over IP as a collaboration tool has quickly gained popularity among companies and is part of their communication portfolio. As a report from Eclipse Telecom is pointing out, the VoIP is moving towards a state to totally replace our telephones in our offices and also integrate in existing collaboration service environments. Next main type of online collaboration tools is the coordination. Example are online calendars. Online calendars are part of professional behavior at work and fully integrated in other systems. As a research paper from University of Bath explains, online calendars could in the future be much closely linked to other data such as social media and have even a larger effect. Next example, time trackers. Time trackers are specially used to measure the performance of employees. Its effect on productivity is discussed as being controversial. Next, spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are like emails, very popular within the corporate environment and as a collaboration tool essential for financial analysis or modeling. Although very popular, several studies found out that many spreadsheets contain inaccurate data and are therefore inefficient. The last main type of online collaboration tool is cooperation. And for example, video conferencing. In most cases, video conferencing is part of the overall communication and collaboration strategy of organizations, especially now when all services are cloud-based and therefore implementation costs became more affordable. The long-term vision for video conferencing lies in the correct usage of computer processing power, data storage, or mobile bandwidth speeds to further decrease the obstacles of collaboration. Next example for coordination is the IM teleconferencing. Bringing teams, meetings, or events as close as possible is what teleconferencing solutions want to do. Apart from business environments, teleconferencing is currently used in a variety of fields such as telemedicine, where they contribute enormously to the efficiency and productivity as distance and time are limited factors. So let's proceed for the classification based on dimensions. So the classification based on dimensions are asynchronous collaboration tools and synchronous collaboration tools. Asynchronous collaboration tools. A collaboration tool is asynchronous when its users are collaborating at a different time, while a collaboration tool is synchronous when its users are collaborating at the same time. Let's talk first the asynchronous collaboration tools. For example is the email, mailing list, and news groups. Email is the best known asynchronous collaboration tool and the most common use. It offers intuitive features for forwarding messages, creating mailing groups, and attaching documents. Furthermore, information can be automatically, chronologically sorted and assigned to tasks or calendar events. For the group calendar, through group calendars, meetings can be scheduled, projects managed, and people coordinated. It is a great tool to help a person overlook their deliverables and deadlines. A group calendar includes functions such as the detection of conflicting schedules with other people in a team or organization, or coordination of meeting times that suit everybody in a team. Besides the positive effects of group calendar, there is also controversy about privacy and control that might influence a person's productivity. Another example is the workflow systems. With workflow systems, files or documents can be communicated to the organization by following a strict and organized process. They provide services for routing, development of forms, and support for roles. As current workflow systems are controlled from one point, individuals within an organization normally do not have the permission to manage their own processes so far. This should be changed by implementing collaborative planning tools to current workflow systems. Another example is the hypertext. Hypertext technology connects our files to each other and makes sure that always the latest version is available to us. When people work on different documents, the system automatically updates the information of other people. Now let's proceed to the synchronous collaboration tools. Example, the shared whiteboard. Shared whiteboards give its users the capability to work efficiently on a task through a web-based platform. They can be used for informal discussions and also for communications that need structure, involve drawing, or are in general more sophisticated. This might also be very useful in realized virtual classrooms. Next is the video communication systems. Video communication systems offer two-way or multi-way calling with a live video stream. It can be best compared to a telephone system with an additional visual element. Another example is the chat systems. Chat systems allow people to write and send messages in real time. They are usually structured in chat rooms which show usernames, number of people, location, discussion topic, and more. Next, decision support systems. The decision support systems support groups to manage the decision-making process. They give people the ability to exchange their brainstorming, analyzing their ideas, and even are used for voting. Decision-making is becoming more and more a core function of modern work. According to studies, 50% of organizational decisions fail. Next, the multiplayer video games. Computer games are a good example of how a multi-user situation could look like in the future. They are constantly developed and expanded with features such as chat and video systems. So let's discuss the other collaboration tools. Other collaboration tools are the following: Time Doctor, Slack, InVision, Google Drive, Asana, Trello, Basecamp, Zoho Projects, GitHub, GitLab. Let's proceed to time tracking tools. So the time tracking tools example: Time Doctor, communication tools example is Yammer, Slack, Skype, Fresh Connect, Acquire, Logbox, Google Hangouts, GoToMeeting, Chanty, Mailbird, Miro, TextMagic, Flock, Crew. And let's talk about the design tools. Example are InVision, Mural, MacPlus, Concept Inbox, Cage, Zeppelin, Review, Red Pen, Go Visually, Logo Maker, Fluid UI, Banner Snap, Extension, and how about for the documentation tools? So here are the examples. First, Google Docs, Office Online, Bit.ai, Etherpad, Zoho, ProProps documentation software. Let's proceed to file sharing tools. Examples are Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, Hightail, Mediafire, OneDrive, SugarSync, how about project management tools? For the project management tools, here's our example. Asana, Toggle Plan, Podio, Trello, Basecamp, ProofHub, Write, Liquid Planner, Workflow Max, Mavenlink, Nimble, Zoho Projects, Swift Kanban, Gantt Pro, Stormboard, Siloxys, Let's proceed to the software tools. First, GitHub, Bitbucket, CodePen, UserSnap, GitLab, Fogbugs. So that's all for the discussion about the online collaboration tools. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.